make some orange Dream Mini Cupcakes. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 1.5 cups of flour, add 1.5 teaspoons baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Set aside. In a bowl, cream together half a cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Add 2 eggs, one at a time. Mix until well combined. Add a half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. 1 tablespoon of orange juice. Mix until well combined. Add 1 tablespoon of orange zest and mix until well combined. Add a half a cup of buttermilk and the flour mixture, starting and ending with the flour mixture. Spoon the batter into prepared pans and bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 11 to 13 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Add a half a cup of butter and mix until creamy. Add a pinch of salt and mix until well combined. Gradually add 2 cups of icing sugar to the mixture until smooth. Add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. I did this in 2 batches and mix until well combined. Once the cupcakes have cooled, cut a cone shape into the cupcakes and fill with orange marmalade, about a half a teaspoon size. Top with the cut out cupcake and pipe icing on top. Dollop a small bit of the orange marmalade on top. And enjoy!